This video provides a guide for migrating teaching content to OpenEdX Studio. After completing the certification on building in OpenEdX Studio, you can request a course shell by either filling out the form at the end of the How to Build in OpenEdX Studio course or by sending the course completion certificate directly to the e-learning directorate. The video demonstrates how to create course content on OpenEdX Studio, addressing basic technical topics in course development. After requesting the course shell, the course will appear on your dashboard. You can access it in two ways, through the LMS or Studio. The main difference is that Studio is where you create and design the course, and once it's published, it becomes available on the LMS for students to enroll and learn. As the course instructor, click the Studio button to start building your course material. When you open Studio, a new page appears. At the top, you'll find three sections: Content, Settings, and Tools, each filled with essential features for building courses. Below that is the course outline area, where you can add your course structure. In the top right corner, there are three more options: New Section, Collapse All, and View Live. Let's explore what each of these elements provides. Now let's look at the course structure in OpenEdX. The course structure we are familiar with is slightly different from the structure in OpenEdX Studio. Essentially, there are four components: sections, subsections, units, and components. Sections serve as major headings for modules, units, chapters, or groups of items. For example, a section might be titled Introduction to Basic Biology. Within each section, there are subsections. Subsections are used to label smaller parts of information within a section. For instance, a subsection might be titled What is Biology? Each subsection contains units, which are smaller parts of the subsection and can be thought of as pages. A unit can have its own title, such as Definition of Biology. Within the unit, there are green buttons called components, visible only in the unit. These components serve as the building blocks for the information presented on each page. Let's build our online course material using the components. If you want to add text-based material, go to the Components section and select the Text button. This will open a new page with various options, and you can choose what suits your needs. For this tutorial, select Text. A new tab will open and you can click Edit. On the new page, simply copy and paste the content from your Word document. There are also tools available to enhance the content, and you can also insert image and links. To add links, click on the designated area, and the new text box will appear. Paste the URL, edit the display text, and then click Save. To insert an image, click the Insert Edit Image button. A new tab will open where you can browse for an image from your computer or select one from the library if previously used. After selecting the image, press Next, and another tab will open to preview it. At this stage, you need to decide whether the image is for teaching purposes or decorative use. Another important tool to understand is how to upload a PDF file. To do this, click the Advanced button. A new tab will appear with different options, including PDF. Click on PDF, and the platform will automatically open the template PDF. Click Edit. A new tab will open with options like PDF name and PDF URL. You can simply rename or edit the PDF name. However, to change the PDF URL, you must complete one task before pasting the URL. Go to Contents and select the File option. If you're new to the Studio library, it might prompt you to read and agree to the terms. Once that's done, the documents will appear in the Studio library. To add a new file, simply go to the right corner of the page and click Add File. After uploading the file, navigate to it, click the three dots at the top of the selected file and choose Copy Studio URL. Then go to the unit where you want to add the PDF file and replace the template. To add Google documents like forms, presentations, and calendars, select the Advanced button where you previously chose to upload a PDF file. Click on the Google Documents option. A new tab will open, click Edit, and a table for input will appear. Here you can rename or type the title for the content. The second box needs to be filled with the embedded code. Copy and paste the embedded code into this box, and the required documents will be automatically inserted. Another important tool in the Components section is the Problems and Open Response options. After completing a unit or lesson, assessments are a great way to check students' understanding. Instructors can use either closed or open assessments for this purpose. The Problem option is used to create questions like multiple choice, fill in the blank, and checkbox questions. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a multiple choice question with or without feedback. Start by clicking the Problem option, which will open a new tab with the alternative option. Select multiple choice and the platform will generate a template question. Click the Edit option, and within the tab, you'll see the template question marked with a greater than symbol. This is where you can input your question. Below you'll find alternative texts, each preceded by brackets. The correct answer is marked with an X inside the bracket. You can replace the template as needed. To add open response assessments, click on the open response option. A template question will appear. Click Edit. A new tab with various options will open. Select Staff Assessment. The template questions will then appear. Click Edit to configure them. Inside the new tab, there is a template prompt used as a simple example that you can easily replace with your own. Another option to configure is the schedule. Simply click it, change the due date, and then click Save. Now you have successfully created an open. Another important tool we'll cover in this video is how to create a discussion forum. To do this, go to the unit where you want to add the discussion forum and click the three dots. A list of options will appear. Select Configure. In the new box, check the box that says Enable Discussion Forum and save it. Finally, publish the unit assessment.